Digital marketing involves using online channel to sell or promote a product or a service. This channel can come in a many form from social media and contact marketing to pay per click, advertising and search engine optimization. In a terms of your business, digital marketing allows you to connect with a prospective and existing customer, which is a vital for a business and brand awareness. Digital marketing is important because it allows you to get a creative and stand out from your competitor in a congested market. Not only it is essential for a business, but customer also now heavily rely on it as a way of finding out about a company. A digital marketing strategy ultimate aim to deliver campaign that support the company wider goal and ambitions. Using the numerous digital tactics and channel you have to at your disposal. In a simple term, search engine optimization or SEO is all about using a keywords on a website in order to improve its ranking on a search engine and increase the traffic. The higher place your website is on a Google search result, the better your brand chances of being recognized. Content. It focus on providing additional value to customer through expert driven articles, blog, videos and other resources like white papers. So fast becoming one of the most important digital marketing tool for a business. Social media is a great way of promoting your brand and expanding your reach. It allows you to communicate with the customer in an engaging way to help to make them feel part of the brand, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube. You need to consider which platform works the best for your business and which channel is used the most by your target audience. Social media helps you reach you your customer originally, but also gives you the option to boost post and promote content through paid advertising. These allow your content to reach a much wider audience, increase the level of engagement on your post, and gives you the opportunity to specifically target individual interest and demographic. PPC help to drive traffic to your website by paying a publisher very every time your advert get clicks. Types of PPC include Google ad, Facebook ad, Twitter ads, and sponsored LinkedIn content. While it may not be organic as other type of digital market, but it's still a key component of a successful digital marketing strategy. So, basically, email marketing can be used to promote a content, discount, event news, and a competition. Plus, it's a great way of redirecting a customer to your website. Then, influencer marketing is a proven way of promoting your brand using an engaging and modern approach. It allows a business to collaborate with the individual who have a big online presence, which will ultimately help a brand exposure. Influencer marketing comes in a many different form, but usually an influencer will be asked to publish a social media content that promote the brand. It goes without saying, but it's essential that the influencer is well known among your target audience and good face for your business. So digital marketing important. Well, there are a whole host of a reason that we will explore in the section. But in a simple term, it allows you to reach a larger audience and boost brand awareness. All of the reason we list here, if applied correctly, should help you to attract customer, new and old, and drive future sales. So digital marketing levels and playing a field and allows you to compete with a bigger brand in your sector that otherwise wouldn't be achievable. Using this different digital marketing channel, your brand will grow and become a more widely recognized, helping to raise awareness about what you do and the product or service